welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Shuchetana and I make content related to beauty, makeup and lifestyle. And if you are interested, please take a moment to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the notification bell just next to it so that you don't miss any update. And now let's move on to the video. So I have created this Eid makeup look for today's video, and this is a stay-at-home Eid makeup look because of the situation. Of course, I would highly request you all to please stay at home and enjoy the festival with your family at home itself. So yeah, I have created this very simple and basic natural nude sort of makeup look. So if you're interested to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. Since today we are doing at a home kind of makeup look, like we are all at home right now, so I'll make sure that we do something that we can easily do at home, and I would also suggest you all to please stay at home. So yeah, let's start. No matter if we are at home or we are outside, but we need a good primer. So for primer today I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless primer. This is for normal to oily skin and I'm using it for the first time. This is the new primer that I have got, and yes, I have showed it in one of my vlogs where I was showing what are the things that I got. So yeah, this we will use this today and see how it works on my skin. And this is how it looks like. I'll mostly concentrate on my T-zone. This smells a little, no, yeah, it's fine. Next, I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. If you want, you can also use a BB cream, but yeah, I feel like using foundation. I'm using very little amount of it just to give a nice skin-like finish. So yeah. So you all can see I have kept the base really skin-like. So it's also looking really glowy. I loved the primer. It made the application of the foundation so fabulous, easy and smooth. I loved it. So yeah. Now I'll apply my compact, my Faces compact. So next I'll do my brows. I'll use my Swiss Beauty palette to do my brows. I always do the brows off camera because I take a lot of time to do my brows properly. So if you all want to see how I do my brows naturally, like I like to keep my brows a little natural because I already have thick brows and I like it that way. So if you want to see how I do them, I can make a separate video out of it. But yeah, for today I'll do it off camera and then I'll be back. So I am done with the brows, and today I'll use this Nikake Oh Honey palette to do my eye makeup. I'm going to keep it very simple and quick because since we are all at home, इतना elaborate makeup करने का कोई मतलब नहीं होता है. But because this is Eid, इतना तो बनता है, मतलब ready होना तो बनता है. So yeah, we are going to keep it simple. It is going to be simple, but it is going to look very beautiful, that I can promise. So yeah, first I am using this brown, and I'll use it on my crease. So I have applied the brown and I have also extended it a little bit on the outer corner, and then we will use a shimmer shade, and I'm confused about which one should I use. I guess this one goes well with the outfit, so yeah, I am going to use this one. You can also use your hands while using shimmer shadows because that way the pigment goes onto your eyes really well, but I somehow prefer using brushes. I do not mind the time, but yeah. So yeah, let's do this because already the palette is very pigmented, so that's not a problem. So see, it's very pigmented. Now I am taking the same brown and I fumbled so bad. Now I will take the same brown and apply it on my lower lash line. Next I will apply a liner. After a long time I'm using liner on my tutorial. These days I don't like wearing liner a lot, but today I will wear it. I like it. So I'll do it in this eye as well and be back. I'm done with the sharp wing liner on both the eyes, and I'm not gonna put anything on my lower lash line. I was thinking of putting kajal, but I just want to have this clean look today. I want all my attention on my wing only. So next what I'll do is I'll put a thick layer of mascara. So yeah, I'm using the Maybelline Hypercurl mascara, and for eyeliner I have used the Lakme Insta liner. Coat the upper and lower lash line really well, especially the lower lash line, because we are not putting anything else in the lower lash line. So I have coated my upper and lower lash line very well, and next we will move on to the blush. I want a really nice fresh glow on my cheeks today, so I am using my favorite blush. You can use any blush. I am using the Stay Quad Chicky Girls blush. This is a very nice nude blush basically, and it has a little bit of peach hints to it, which doesn't make the blush very evident but gives a very nice flush of colors to your cheeks, which I really like. Like, look at that, it instantly makes all the difference. Look how beautiful this looks. I'll also apply it on a little bit on my nose. And everywhere else as well. Look, the look just changed. It's giving such a nice flush of color. And then I'll use the highlighter. I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter. I'm only using this highlighter these days because I've already hit the pan on this one, as you can see, and this one will expire very soon, so I want to use this as much as possible. I already love this one, and this is one product that I will definitely repurchase. So yeah, I'll use this highlighter. Just look at that. It's looking gorgeous. I love highlighter. On my nose. Cupid's bow on the highest parts of my face. That's it. I will highlight my inner corners and my brow bone with the same highlighter. Last is lipstick, and for lipstick today I am using this lip liner. I wasn't able to open this. This is the Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade Chestnut. In itself, the lip liner is looking really pretty, but I would still like to go on with a lipstick. I'm using this Nude Nuance shade from Maybelline Creamy Mattes, because this is a beautiful nude shade. You can obviously go for any dark color of your choice, but I'm just liking it this way. So and I'm wearing these huge earrings, which I absolutely love, which is giving a very glam vibe to the look. So yeah, this is the finished look. So that was it about today's video, and I hope you guys liked how I created this look. I have kept the look very minimal and subtle, and I have also kept it nude. If you want, you can obviously wear a dark lip shade along with this look. This would go on for any Indian occasion, and this is quite a versatile look that you can carry on a number of occasions. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and share this video with your friends and family. That would mean a lot to me. You can also follow me on Instagram. I will leave the link of my Instagram handle in the description below, so you can check it out from there and follow me there as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, and lots of love. Bye.